Growing through these uncertain times is really tough. I mean, I feel like I say this a lot, but it's really about getting together with your team and talking about where you want to be and what it's going to take to get there. And the collaboration between every team member is so important during the COVID time because, like I have a business plan that I want to work towards, but does it mean that I'm going to be able to achieve everything on there? No, I need collaboration and help from people figuring out what are going to be our next moves, what are going to be smart moves, or what are going to be bad moves, what are going to be innovative moves. What advice would I have for a tech company is continue to innovate, continue to be a leader in your industry. I mean, even though we're not having conferences and people are not really speaking much, you can still be a leader in your space by sharing the knowledge that you have, sharing the knowledge of things that you've learned by talking to other leaders in the industry. I think in 2021 we're going to see a lot more change. What that change is going to be, I don't know. But I can see the entire food service infrastructure completely changing and sort of adapting to the new normal. And as we try to adapt to the new normal, a lot of innovative companies are going to start stepping out and coming up with ideas to help with this change. So I think we're just seeing the tip of what's to come.